Alright, everybody. This is number 2. Let's see how good this goes. Alright. This is the 144 scale Red Gundam. Don't ask me to pronounce the series it came from. It just came out this early, well, it came out last year. But yeah, I did a lot of, well, this here. I did some panel lining in here. Try to get this a little closer. But yeah, that should be good. In the legs, a lot of lines. And I did a little, attempted some painting inside that attack, or whatever his ball there. I've not seen the part in the series that I've seen where he uses that. But yeah, I did some, whoops, sorry there, buddy. Did some silver on the marker in there. And that comes around, I'll show you on the gun also. And panel lining here. Yeah, all over in the face. Both of these. Yeah, silver in there. When it comes back around, I'll show it again. But yeah, all the legs. The shield, I made that yellow. It's not supposed to be. There's supposed to be a decal that goes over it. And being an ass that I am to the series, I left it and made it yellow. But yeah, a lot of panel lining. But yeah, you can see the silver here. In there. It's a pretty detailed weapon. But yeah, a lot of panel lines. A lot of work on it. This time around, I panel lined everything before I put it together. So yeah, those are stickers here. The gray, well, this gray, and that gray, and that one up top here. Thrusters are all panel line too. There's not a whole lot on the back of the backpack, but yeah, up in here. And the face was good. I did metallic blue Gundam marker, and of course I got the markers put up. But yeah, it's a real neonish metallic blue. It's supposed to be a blue color, but I made it a little where it pops out. But yeah, you can see on the backs here, that might have cracked a little bit for some reason, but that's a chance you take with the panel lining. But yeah, I could have done some right there now that I think about it, but it's good. It's good enough for what it is. But yeah, I had fun with it. It was a nice build. Hope to see everybody else's here shortly. And as I said on my last video, if anybody's needing the banner page, it'll be in the last video, my email, and this one. Oh yeah, I also did some chrome on the bottom there and a little dark gray panel line. But yeah, it's a nice little build. There's a set out there that will allow me to not only have these two here, but there's 2 more back behind the elbows. And behind the kneecaps, there's a pack of 4 that you can build these up and have them all decked out, and some other weapons. May look into that. There we go. But yeah, that's it, folks. Nice, short and sweet. Another hopefully below 5-minute video. Again, if you're needing the banner page, please hit me up on my email in the description. I'll be more than happy to send it to you. But till then, really looking forward to seeing everyone else's build. See what y'all picked. Vince has already done his, and there's been a couple others I've done finals already. Had to go to Tommy. Tommy's been busy. I'll look and see what he's got going on, what he's finished here later on. But start back to work tomorrow night for 4 nights. Open river, so that's a good thing. So, see what else I can mess with while I'm there. Keep me awake. Usually around midnight is when I get tired. But anyway, this is it, folks. I hope you all like what I did here. There we go. That's better. Till then, we'll talk to you all later. Yeah, later.